Everybody, Ryan here, and in today's video we are going to be using this Pellet Pro and these pellets to treat some localized dry spots that I have going on right now in the yard. We've had no rain for literally, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks. Temperatures in the mid upper 90s. We have had a little cool spell in the last couple days with temps down in the 80s, lows around 60, but we do expect temps to creep back up, and without any rainfall the yard is taking a hit. So the Pellet Pro here is pretty easy to use. You attach a water hose to this end, comes out this end, and you just attach your pellet, or you drop your pellet down inside of here. This is the pellet we're using. It is the Tournament Ready Pellet with Actosol. It does have humic and fulvic acid and a little bit of iron, like 0.5%. But all you do is open it up and just simply drop it straight down. Once you've got it dropped in, I'm just gonna screw this back on, attach your hose, and you're ready to go. So let's go treat this area. And I've got a lot of dry spots in the front yard, but we're just gonna treat this area on the side. And I just wanna see what kind of difference we can get from using this. Alright, so because that the water pressure over here is horrible, yeah, it doesn't come out exactly the way it should. So I am applying longer than maybe you would if you had higher water pressure. But since my water pressure is low, I am going to apply a little longer. And honestly, I don't know that you can over apply, especially when we're as dry as we are. But I'm going to keep applying it through here, and then I am going to water it in really well. And we'll see how it turns out in a few days. I'm going to show you how this looks up close, just kind of what it does. If you can see the soapiness, so that just worked its way down. So look at the runoff, just look how quick that's running off. Alright guys, so once you're finished using this, you unscrew this, you can pour out the water. Then you can just pop this back out, put the top back on, and you're good to go. I didn't use a whole lot because it just had a little area, but I think one of those should cover about 15,000 square feet. It doesn't really give you a whole lot of directions on there, to be honest. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate all the subscribers here in the last couple months. It's been a lot for me. If you haven't checked these guys out, which you probably have, check these guys out. I appreciate the shirt, the lawn tools, some incredible people over there doing a lot of cool videos, so please check those guys out. Again, I hope to see you in the next one. See you later.